Hello everyone, welcome you to my channel SA French Help. So today we are going to learn vowels in French. So first of all, it's important to understand what are vowels. In English, we say that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U and sometimes Y. The last couple of words hint at one of the keys to understanding pronunciations. A vowel is not so much a letter as the sound represented by the letter or combination of letters. So there are some characteristics of a vowel sound like it is produced by vibrating the vocal cords. It's pronounced with no obstruction of the throat, tongue or lips, and it can be a syllable on its own. So these particular things are of vowels. Now let's understand what actually the French versus English vowels are. The majority of French vowels are pronounced closer to the front of mouth than their English counterparts. The tongue and lips remain tensed through the pronunciations of English vowels, and the sound remains pure rather than it's diphthonging into Y or W sounds like English vowels tends to be, or they tends to do. So how we categorize vowels? There are two different ways to categorize French vowel sounds. Production. It's done in the two ways, oral versus nasal. The oral vowels are pronounced by passing air through the mouth. A, E, I, O, U. And on the counterpart, nasal vowels are pronounced by passing air through the mouth and the nose. N, in, on, yun. So, what are the effects on the consonants like hard versus soft? This distinction is very important for certain verbs which require spelling changes in order to maintain a soft pronunciation in front of a hard vowel. The consonants C, G, and S have two different pronunciations in French, one for the hard sound and one with a soft sound. For C and G, the sound required in any given word depends on which vowel follows the consonant. For hard vowels, A, O, U, when followed by any of these vowels or by a consonant, the consonant had a hard pronunciation. Soft vowels E, I, Y, when followed by any of these vowels, the consonant has a soft pronunciation. So hope you are able to understand the difference between the hard vowels and the soft vowels. So keep watching my videos. You will be able to learn more in the coming videos. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.